Which woodshop air filtration system is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, WEN 3410 Air Filtration System. First up is the WEN 3410 3-speed remote-controlled air filtration system. Priced at $151.99, this system caught my eye with its sleek design and impressive airflow capabilities. If you want a solid solution for cleaner air in your workspace, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The WEN 3410 has a maximum airflow of 400 CFM, which means it can clean the air in a 400 square foot room up to 7.5 times an hour. It's got a 1-micron filter and a 5-micron pre-filter that are easy to replace, perfect for capturing dust, pollen, and pet dander. The remote control feature lets you operate it from up to 26 feet away, making it super convenient. With a solid 4.6-star rating from over 5,600 reviews, this product is clearly popular among woodworkers. Now, some people complained about the noise level, which can reach up to 60 dB. Here's the thing though, for many, the peace of mind of breathing cleaner air outweighs the slight noise. It's a trade-off that most users seem willing to make. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable yet effective filtration system. Skip this one if you need something ultra-quiet while you work. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for larger spaces. Product number 2, WEN 3417 Industrial Strength System. Next, we have the WEN 3417 Industrial Strength Air Filtration System. At $243.94, it's a step up in both price and performance. If you have a larger shop or need more power, this might just hit the spot. It also includes the same reliable 1-micron filter and 5-micron pre-filter setup. The remote control and programmable timer are also there, so you can set it and forget it while you focus on your projects. The 4.3-star rating from 490 reviews shows that users appreciate the heftier performance. However, some users noted that the noise level can be a bit high at 68 dB during operation. But if you prioritize powerful air filtration over absolute quiet, it's still a great choice. This is perfect for you if you have a large workspace and need industrial strength filtration. Skip this one if you're looking for something quieter for a small home shop. Now, if the WEN 3417's noise level bothered you, this next product takes a completely different approach. Product number 3, DeWalt DWXAF 101 Air Filtration System. Coming in at $279, we have the DeWalt DWXAF 101 Air Filtration System. This model is designed specifically for those who want top-notch filtration without sacrificing convenience. If you're serious about air quality, this one deserves your attention. That's crucial for keeping the air in your workshop clean, especially if you're cutting wood or handling other fine dust. With a programmable timer and remote control at your fingertips, you can set it to clean the air even when you're not around. The 4 working modes let you customize the filtration based on your current needs, making it flexible and effective. With a 4.5-star rating from 145 users, it's clear that many appreciate its performance. However, some users mention that installation can be a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, once it's up and running, the air quality improvement is well worth the hassle for most users. This is perfect for you if you want a high-performance filtration system that's easy to control. Skip this one if you prefer something that's plug-and-play without any setup. Alright, that's a great choice. Let's move on to our next product, which tackles portability in a unique way. Product number 4, WEN 3410 and Inner Air Filters Pack. Next up is a combo. The WEN 3410 Air Filtration System with a 2-pack of 1-micron inner air filters, priced at $176.98. This option is ideal if you want to ensure your air stays clean over the long haul. What makes this package great is the addition of the inner air filters, ensuring you always have fresh ones on hand. The filters capture particles down to 1 micron, which is especially important for keeping your workshop dust-free and breathable. Plus, the 4.8-star rating from 135 reviews speaks volumes about its effectiveness and reliability. However, a few users pointed out that the filters can be a bit pricey to replace. Here's the thing though, having good filters is essential for maintaining air quality, so investing in them is a smart move for anyone serious about their workspace. This is perfect for you if you want a great deal on an air filtration system with extra filters included. Skip this one if you're looking for something with more advanced features. Now, if you're still looking for something heavy-duty, our last pick might just be the ultimate solution. Product number 5, ALORAIR Air Scrubber. Finally, we have the ALORAIR Air Scrubber priced at $422.45. This one is for those who need a heavy-duty air cleaner for serious applications. If you're tackling big projects or need a machine that can handle tough environments, listen up. With a maximum airflow of 550 CFM and the ability to stack multiple units, it's designed for maximum efficiency. The 4.2-star rating from 229 reviews shows that it has impressed many in the industrial sector. Some users mention that it can be bulky and heavy to move around. But here's the thing, for a machine that can handle so much, a bit of weight is expected. If you need something that performs exceptionally, this is worth considering. This is perfect for you if you need a powerful air scrubber for industrial use or large spaces. Skip this one if you need something compact and lightweight for small jobs. Now that we've covered all 5 products, you have a solid range of options to choose from for your woodshop air filtration needs. To wrap it up, we've looked at the WEN 3410, the WEN 3417, the DeWalt DWXA F101, the WEN Combo Pack, and the ALORAIR Air Scrubber. Each one has its strengths, whether it's the affordability of the WEN 3410 or the heavy-duty power of the ALORAIR. Choose based on your specific needs and you'll be breathing clean air in no time.